Alright, so we have a function and it's defined by this expression. And we want factoring to determine the zeros of the function. So, first thing we notice when factoring is this sign right here. The second sign, it's a negative. That means that the signs are going to be different. It'll be in this way. X plus and x minus being two binomials. Okay, and then we look at this, right? The positive. That means the positive number is going to be bigger when we want to use our factor tree. The factor tree of negative 18, right? So we go down, right? Negative 1 times 18 is negative 18. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. Etc. We do 4, then 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 works, but now we're just going backwards, right? So we know because this is positive that these bigger numbers are going to be our positive numbers, right? So, and we know what we want is, right, these multiplied to get negative 18, but we also want them to sum up, that is add to 3, right? So negative 1, 18, that's 17, right? Negative 2 plus 9, negative 7, or 7. And negative 3 plus 6, that's going to be 3. That's the one we want then, right? So we go put the numbers into this, and that gives us x plus 6, the bigger number being positive, and x minus 3. Right? Okay, and now we want the zeros, right? So using the zero product law, we want this to equal 0. So if one of these is 0, then the whole equation is going to be, or the whole expression is going to be 0, I should say. So start with one of these binomials. We have x plus 6 equals 0, right? We just subtract 6 from both sides, and we get x equals negative 6. So if we plug in negative 6 here, it would be negative 6 plus 6. That would be 0. It doesn't even matter what this is because 0 times any number is going to get us a 0. And now we do the other binomial. So we have x minus 3, and this time we just add 3 to both sides, right? And that gives us x equals 3. Okay, so to explain what the zeros represent on the graph of Rx, the zeros are the values of the variables when the equation equals 0, basically, right? Also, as the value where the function touches the x-axis. So if you were to graph this, it'd be whatever goes to the x-axis or touches the x-axis. Thank you.